Hey, how are you doing? It's Bill DeWeese, pro voiceover talent and voiceover career coach. And this video is being released on Friday, and it is Facebook Comment Friday. I get a lot of comments through social media. You may be aware, I advertise my voiceover training. And so, but it's very revealing. Of course, a lot of people just troll, which is fine. But amidst all of the comments and the craziness and some sincere comments, are comments where it just shows the misinformation or the misunderstanding of the industry. So I thought I'd use this as a tool to help you understand a little more about the industry and make sure perceptions are correct. Because if your perception is correct, your chance of succeeding becomes much greater. So this is a comment from Dick. And Dick says, voiceover is now being dominated by actors. Just listen. Well, Dick has part of this right. And that is, when it comes to national commercials, there are more actors voicing national commercials than there were 5 or 10 years ago. It has been a trend. The mistake that Dick makes is that assuming that little bit that he hears, what he hears on TV, national TV commercials, constitutes the whole of voiceover. Not even close. Think of it as an iceberg. What is it they say about only 3% of the iceberg shows itself above the water? And so they're the things that you're familiar with. National TV commercials, network TV promos, character voices, in cartoons and in animated movies and so on and so forth. But that accounts for a very, very, very small percentage of the entire universe of voiceover work. So yes, while there are more and more actors, at least seemingly, doing the national voiceover thing when it comes to national commercials. There's still a lot of commercials that actors don't do, but yeah, Dick, I'll give you that. There are more actors doing it. There's this vast 95+% of the market that you're not even touching. And that's where we make our money. It could be audiobooks, it can be explainer videos, it could be internal corporate projects, it could be e-learning, and on and on and on and on it goes. The point is, don't be deceived just because you see more and more name brand actors voicing national TV commercials. Don't think that it's being run, the entire industry is being run over and used only by A-list actors. Not the case at all. There's plenty of work for the rest of us. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like it, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe and share, and we'll talk soon.